There's a strange thing the mind does sometimes. You can be doing something completely ordinary, brushing your teeth, walking down the street, making coffee, and then suddenly, an embarrassing memory appears. Not a big one, just a small moment from years ago. Something you said, something you did, a conversation that ended awkwardly, a joke that didn't land, or a moment when you realized, a little too late, that you misunderstood the situation completely. And the strange part is how vivid it feels. Your brain doesn't present the memory like a distant fact. It plays it like it's happening again. You can feel the same embarrassment, the same social discomfort. Sometimes people even react physically. They wince or say something out loud like, "Why did I say that?" even though the event happened years ago. So why does the mind do this? Part of the reason is that the brain treats social mistakes as important. For most of human history, belonging to a group mattered. Being accepted mattered. Avoiding social mistakes mattered. So when the brain detects something that might have been a mistake, it holds on to it. And sometimes, it replays it. Not to punish you, but to try to learn from it. The problem is, the brain doesn't always know when the lesson is already learned. So it brings the memory back just to check. Which is why you can be living your life perfectly normally and suddenly remember something mildly embarrassing from years ago. And for a few seconds, it feels like it just happened. A strange little glitch in the mind, uncomfortable, pointless, and very human.